Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G72 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To turn it off, simply press and hold the power button, keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen, and then tap on the power off option to turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button together. And keep holding them until the menu appears on the screen. So let's press and hold the power and volume down together. Keep holding them. And once you see the menu on the screen, you can release both buttons. Now, use the volume up and volume down buttons to scroll through this menu. Find the option called recovery mode. And once you select it, tap on the, or rather press the power button to confirm. Once you see the no comment screen, press and hold the power button, and while holding the power button, press the volume up button. So press and hold power and then press volume up to continue. And at this point you should be in the recovery mode. To move through this menu, you can use the volume up and volume down buttons, like that. And to confirm the selections, you can press the power button. In this menu we have options like reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data / factory reset, mount / system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, run local test, and power off. If you want to exit this menu, you can select either reboot system now or power off, depending on what you want to do with your phone. If you want to boot into a system, select the reboot system now, and if you want to turn off the phone, select the power off. I'm gonna select reboot system now, and then press the power button to confirm. And let's wait until the phone is done rebooting.
Hello, Moto.
As you can see, we are back into a system. Okay, and that's how you enter the recovery mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.